There, fellow knitters. Are you ready to dive back into the wonderful world of knitting? Have you been struggling with some tricky techniques? Don't you worry, this video is here to help you get back on track and overcome those knitting hurdles. I'm going to walk you through some of the most common problems knitters face and give you easy to follow solutions. First up, let's talk about drop stitches. That sinking feeling when you realize you've accidentally lost a stitch is the worst, isn't it? But don't despair, it's easily fixable. I'll show you how to pick up drop stitches using a crochet hook or even your knitting needles. We'll explore the lifeline technique to save your work before it unravels too far. Next, let's tackle those pesky mistakes that seem to pop up from nowhere. Maybe you've added an extra stitch, or perhaps you've decreased one where you shouldn't have. I'll show you how to identify these errors and how to correct them without ripping out your whole project. We'll learn how to read your knitting, understand the patterns, and make those little adjustments that make a big difference. Another common challenge is mastering increases and decreases. These techniques are essential for shaping your knitted pieces. We'll go through the various methods, such as knit, front and back KFB for increases and slip, knit SSK for decreases. I'll break down the steps, making them easy to understand and practice. Let's move on to color work. Color work can be beautiful but also a bit intimidating. I'll explain how to avoid tangling your yarn, and how to keep your tension consistent across multiple colors. We'll try some simple color work patterns to get you started, like stripes and basic color blocks. And what about those tricky cast-ons and bind-offs? They're the beginning and the end of every project. We'll explore some popular methods, such as the long tail cast-on, which is great for beginners, and the stretchy bind-off, which is perfect for edges that need a bit of give. I'll also share tips for choosing the right cast-on and bind-off for your project. Then, we'll talk about tension. Achieving consistent tension is the key to creating beautiful, even fabric. I'll share some simple tips for keeping your tension consistent. We'll cover things like using the right needles, holding your yarn properly, and practicing your knitting rhythm. Now, let's discuss common knitting patterns. We'll go over how to read and understand knitting patterns. We'll decode those abbreviations and learn how to follow instructions. Finally, I'll provide some helpful tips for fixing common issues. We'll cover fixing drop stitches, correcting mistakes, and much more. And, if you still get stuck, don't worry. There are tons of resources available online, and the knitting community is always ready to lend a helping hand. So grab your needles, yarn, and get ready to knit with confidence. Let's get started.